What is NCT? It stands for Nanocure Technology. This might sound more like a name for curing cancer, but what it is looks like magic before your eyes. NCT is a fabric that can self-heal small holes and punctures to the fabric. NCT is a lightweight, water-resistant nylon ripstop with resealing and repairing capabilities. Naturally, nylon ripstop is extremely durable due to its endlessly repeating chains of building blocks that are woven into the crisscross pattern. When the already durable nylon is punctured, the nylon threads aren't actually broken. They're just pushed apart. It is our double-sided coating, friction from rubbing the puncture, and the heat generated from the friction that close the hole. The reinforced fibers of the ripstop also create additional reinforcement and support around the puncture, which also aids in the repair function. Nanocure Technology. Be the first to own the world's only self-healing tent.
Humans have always pushed the boundaries of innovation. Our first tools, our first machines, and the first time we were touched, we became one. Well, we've created a user interface that will make you feel that all over again. It's called Bird. It's a tiny wearable device that makes any space interactive. It's about being free. It lets you touch, push, pull, swipe, and grab your content from anywhere in the room. And you don't have to think about it. It knows exactly what you mean. What touched it to small screens, Bird will do to big ones. It's about being creative with the finest pixel-perfect precision. And it redefines teamwork with up to 10 people collaborating on one screen. Bird doesn't only work in thin air, it can also turn any surface into a touch surface. So whatever your dream canvas is, Bird can make it happen. It's accurate, simple, and it can also be enhanced with entirely new ideas and applications. The future is happening right now. It's time to be amazed again.
Transform the pull-up suitcase to your mobile closet in just a few steps. With the pull-up, you can store your belongings safely and neatly. It enables you to systematically pack your clothes and personal items in separate compartments, which is the best way to guarantee that your trip is perfectly organized.